I'm going to pull down the fire alarm. Ha 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 ha.
Hi Percy the park keeper, how is school?
Very good, Eagle me, I promise.
Everything is gonna be fine. Let's watch TV.
Welcome to TNN News. I'm Chicken Little. And today, we have some breaking news. A park keeper named Percy pulled the fire alarm at school. He made his school go insane and went home so early. Cute Chatterly will ask Lisa what happened.
Sam, can you please tell me what happened to Go Animate Academy?
Well, I was at home making my first grounded video out of Percy the park keeper, but all of a sudden, Percy pulled the fire alarm and went home so early.
That's a very interesting story, evil Percy the park keeper. If you're seeing this, you should ground your normal clone. Anyways, Chicken Little, back to you.
That's all the time we have for today. Tune in back at 7 p.m. for more news.
Percy the park keeper. How dare you pull down the fire alarm at school? Now thanks to your scheme, you made your school go insane. That's it. You are grounded until Valentine's Day. Go to your room now.
Why?